the hidden anti-aging nutrient Harvard is talking about. Please watch. Hi everyone, my name is Albina and this is Cutting Edge Medical Aesthetics. And today I want to talk about something that's getting a lot of attention and you'll understand why. Could vitamin D3 actually slows down your biological aging? You might have seen headlines like Harvard discovered the cheapest anti-aging pill that rewinds your biological clock. Let's look at what the science actually says and what it does, what it doesn't. In large Harvard-led study called VITAL, researchers followed thousands of people for 4 years. Those who took 2,000 international units of D3 daily had less telomeres shortening. I'll explain what is this. In simple terms, that the DNA protective caps aged more slowly. Telomeres are the protective ends of your chromosome, like if you say shoelaces, there is a plastic cap on the shoelaces. So think like this, the plastic cap is the protective telomeres. So now, telomeres are the protective ends of your chromosomes, and shorter telomeres are linked to aging, inflammation, and age-related diseases. A slower decline could suggest that adding D3 into your diet, D3 I'm talking about the supplements or short, what can happen? It increases longevity. So a slower decline could suggest that D3 supports cellular longevity. And there is an important part. This doesn't mean D3 reverse aging. It simply supports your body's natural defense against oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, and DNA damage. Processes we call inflammaging. So D3 is known to regulate over 2,700 genes I was talking in my previous videos, many involved in immune and hormone balance, one of the big thing. And hormones, actually I talked about this in my last video. D3 support mitochondrial function, your cell energy engines, and of course enhance DNA repair and reduce oxidative stress. D3 maintain skin barrier and collagen renewal. As with most things in science, balance is the key. Too little D3 weakens the immune system and accelerate aging. Too much, especially at high doses, without monitoring can cause calcium buildup and harm your kidneys. That's if you don't take in combination with MK7. So the study dose 2,000 international units per day, but optimal level depends on your blood test, diet, sun exposure, and lifestyle. In comparison, today I took 20,000 international units with 400 microgram of MK7. Don't do what I do, I'm just sharing what I do. We're all different, we need different amount of nutrients, vitamins, we live different, we have different lifestyle. Please don't do what I do, I'm just sharing what I do and my knowledge with you. I always tell my patients and students, don't think of supplements as magic pills. Think of them as supporting actors in a much bigger film, your lifestyle. Of course, nutrition, sleep, circadian rhythm, hormonal balance, and sunlight exposure all work together in how your body ages. So yes, D3 it may help preserve youth at cellular level, but it's not about looking for one miracle. It's about understanding the science of synergy between your nutrition, hormones, and skin regeneration. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a reminder that true beauty starts inside the cell. If you have any questions, please ask at the comment below or book a consultation with me at Cutting Edge Medical Aesthetics, Hornchurch. All the details in the description below. Thank you for watching.